If you're facing this issue that whenever you try to drag and autofill, let's say the numbers, you're unable to see the autofill options in Excel. So we have a very quick solution for this. So watch this video till the end and follow each single step. So all you have to do is just go to the file menu, and it doesn't matter whatever version of Excel you are using, you just have to find the options area, as we can see at the bottom. Now, depending on the different versions, you will find it somewhere here. Just click on the options and just simply go to this advanced tab. And all you have to do is just scroll down and find this area, cut, copy and paste. And if these options are unchecked or any one of them are unchecked, just make sure to check all of them and click OK. And that's pretty much it. It will resolve your problem. So as we can see now, if we drag this, we can see the autofill options and we can click on fill series here. So that's it, guys. This is a pretty straightforward solution. If you want to join in on our other tips and tricks, you can find the playlist link in the description. Also, if you want to join our complete course, you can get the course link in the description as well. So with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.